Hi, welcome back to in my channel. I have decided let's help those people who actually looking to success in their life. And some of people is still like searching and seeking some places like YouTube and Google. So how I can get the success and what is the requirement for the success? What they should do so they can get the success. See, I have a plan for you actually, and the plan for you that for the next 6 months. And if you want to succeed in life, that gonna not happen in a 1 day and 2 months. It will take a lot of time. It will take lots of days and lots of many of months. So I have a 6 month plan. So I will talk about in this video. This is like a small video to intro what you will learn in the next videos. So which are upcoming videos. So have research like what is the requirement in the finance so you can transform life. This actually the video is topic the mostly I would say like uh, how we can transform our life for this is a 25 already started 4 days back. So I have a plan for you. So if you really interested to transform your life, that you are the right place and you will get everything that is you required for a transformation. I am not that guy who came here to just get the views or something. No, I am not that kind of guy. But yes, I was in the past time. I used to make the videos only for get the views, but now I'm not. I do not come here to get only views. I just come here to help those people who actually wanted to know change the life. This is not easy thing to change life. It's for me it took 4 years to how to consistent, how I discipline. And this is I can say this is not easy to everyone to who can understand like how we can change our life. I know you guys feel something. I'm speaking something like which is you will not relate that video, or maybe you will come here to something which is transform life. I know this in one video you cannot change your life. I know it. If you start with me to learning through the video, I believe that you will see your remarkable, your personality. You will see your version, the next version, which is still is you looking everywhere. You have watched lots of podcasts. You have been watching lots of videos and the podcasts and the motivation video, but still that's not worked with you. I know it. It's happened with me because in the last time I was like watching some motivation video. I watched motivation video. I got the motivation. Plus, I decided like I will do this one and that one and blah blah things. Lots of and acquire knowledge. But now I believe that there's not success. Motivation is not for the success. Motivation is nothing. Just only the motivation. Motivation work like only 1 hours, 2 hours on a 1 day. But if you do the things, the consistency with the discipline, that I believe you will get every single thing which actually you're looking. 6 months ago, I also promised myself next 6 months I will see myself to next level. And I search on YouTube and lots of places, the platform there. So I search how I can transform my life. I'm not sharing my journey, but I'm just giving the example so that you can understand how you also can get the transformation. What is the requirement there for transformation? So that's why. So I am starting the series for the transformation. And if you really interested to learn, and if you really want to change your life in 2025, just start today and see the next 6 months how you will be change your life. I'm not just you are thinking like I have a new channel and you are not also that much is famous or celebrity. That's fine. No need. I do not come here to that I become a celebrity or something. I just came here to explain what actually require how we can start the things which is really important for life. And I believe that if you really interested to learn, So see, there's a transformation is a series I'm going to start from today. This is only first video in this series, and then all those next video will come with all with the zero to advanced level, like not, for example, I'm just giving the example zero to advanced, how we can start from ordinary to the next level, the best version of life. So there I have the plan for everything. The area also I choose like self motivation, how we can work on the consistency, what is the consistency, how we can apply in our life the consistency, how we can work on the discipline, what is the discipline, how we can apply the discipline in our life, how we can get the result through with the discipline. I know this is not easy thing in the morning, and I used to wake up like say 8 o'clock 10 o'clock. But after learning the discipline, after learning the consistency, I wake up actually what time I wanted to wake up. There's no any feel like I don't want to know. Just fuck your mood. Your brain will tell just sleep for 10 minutes more. You sleep just let's sleep 20 minutes more. Nothing will change. This 20 minutes nothing. This 20 minute is make you addicted with the 20 minute. I believe that you will never wake up on the time what time you should wake up. So you just don't listen your mind. If you listening your mind, this mind will destroy you. Yes. The second thing, like if you saying like if I'm saying like you don't listen the mind, and you're gonna say like why we should not listen the mind. We have to listen and understand. That's right. We should understand, but you need to understand this thing where and what our mind saying that is good for our life, that good for the future or not. Then you think like, then you have to think it is not good for the future, that I have to not listen my mind, and I will not listen. And if you really interested to learning those things which I told in this video, and so wait for the next video, I will come back again with the proper way, and from the ordinary person to next gentleman. The people will see you or meet you, they will say, wow, what a transformation, how did you do that? Then you will say, yes, I did it and achieved. So you can share your life, like how you been through this one, how you achieve this goal. I know my video is not, see, if you, I'm going to say this line in the end of this video. I think I should have said this line, said to land this in the beginning. Like, if you really come here to learn, so don't look my quality of camera, don't look of voice quality and background. You just need to think only what I am saying. That's it. And if you really interested to change, then I believe you will not worry about my camera and quality or my expression in the video, how I'm speaking like that. And you really understand what I mean and what I mean to say. And if you really interested, that I believe you will change your life. So we'll see you next video with the proper topic and with the proper plan. So don't. So let's see you again. Yes, I think might be you're thinking like why I didn't tell my name and I didn't intro that much code, like how we can say welcome to like that. I don't, I think that is not an unnecessary thing. That's, I don't feel that is that I should say. That's fine. You come from to learn something, not knowing to come here, right? You just come to with the throw the thumbnail. What is the thumbnail? Like you come here. So I believe, and you will see that almost all videos. So we'll see you next video and next week, inshallah. Okay, bye bye. See you.